Good evening, this is Giuseppe Basile. I'm the analyst and trader. You can find at the blog FibonacciStalking.com. I also post regularly on Twitter using the @FibStalker nickname. Good evening, today is December the 20th, 2012, and this is a midweek update video. In this video I'm going to review the dollar index, the EURFX continuous contract, and the ES E-mini SP500 futures. This video is only sent to my subscriber. If you want to receive this video, just go to my website and subscribe my newsletter. Let's start very quickly on the dollar index. As you know, we have this resistance level we were able to identify during the mid of November, and the 8160 level is a resistance level for this the dollar index, and it's pushing the index into the 7750 level of target here. Now, in the last few days we saw this huge spike. We had a spike higher on the December the 8th, and then the spike lower the day of the FOMC, the Fed announcement. So at the moment, if we don't consider the spike higher, we had this major move lower and resistance level at 8060 for this the dollar index, and as we see, it hit this target level 7930, which corresponds to previous lows here, and probably the index is getting a little bit of traction here. So it's possible that, as we will also see in the dollar in the euro dollar cross, euro dollar future, it's possible that the dollar index will it could actually retrace into the 7980 level and meet this 20-day moving average here. So that's what I'm anticipating in the coming days. So let's move to the EURFX currency futures XE. What you see on the screen is the continuous contract. You will remember that we identified this support level here at 126.65 on the previous December contract, and it's now 126.80 on the March contract, and this long setup has targets above in 134.30. Now we also identified another inner support level and measure move long at 129.10, 129.20, and we hit on Monday we hit target at 132.50, sorry, and when the euro is in this situation, we expect the euro to keep moving in extension. So we want to see the euro respect extension higher, and as we can see, the euro just reopened here and it's currently holding the 132.10 level. So below this 132.10, 132.05, I would be very careful, and I would consider the possibility of a full retracement to the next traditional long, which meets this 20-day moving average as well at 131. So we have to be very careful here, and if the euro fails this level, then we are definitely going to see the 131.04. So before we can get a continuation in this case, we will need to test this support level. We also have previous highs here that could provide support, but they do not correspond to any significant level watched by program trading. So we need to focus on what program trading is doing. Finally, we move to the SP500 ESE mini futures, which you see on the screen is the daily chart. You will remember that on the future the bulls were able to defend this market, but that didn't happen on the SPX, on the SPY, the ETF, the S&P 500 ETF. So there were two different signals provided on the cash SPY and on the futures, but the futures was able to defend this level. It never went below 1326 on the continuous contract here. But what we had trading, we were able to identify some measure move here. The first one was an extension, and as we can see, traded on 1413 target. This extension traded again, and program trading has been pushing price. Sorry, I made a mistake here. I mean, this next extension long never traded. What traded was actually a traditional, and this is the setup that I have indicated on Sunday. And I said that on Sunday I said the price would right at support at 1004, and it could get to the 1446 level. That's what happened today. 46 actually traded to the pip, to the tick, and now we have some possibilities here. The next direct level of support is going to be the 1425, or a continuation higher, and the continuation would lead price to previous size at 1455. So that's what we are looking at the moment. If that does not happen, then a full retracement is now possible, and this full retracement would actually bring price into the 1390. So below the 1421, it's possible that this market is going to retrace all the way into 1390. I hope this video is useful. I want to remind you again that this video is part of my midweek update. I only send to my newsletter subscribe. The newsletter is available for free. You just go to my website and subscribe. Thank you for your attention. Thank you for your patience. If you have any question, just send me an email or contact me on with a direct message on Twitter. I wish you a very good day, and thank you, and bye bye.